Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will discuss about how to install MongoDB in your system. If you want to download it, simply first of all go to MongoDB official website, that is a mongodb.com. Okay, and here if you go to that products, into this products, that is a community server. If you click as a community server, now you can see into the MongoDB community server that is available downloads. Okay, from here first of all you have to download it. So right now our current version as a 5.0.3 and platform as Windows. I am using that Windows for the reasons I am selected that Windows. If you use that another system, simply select this from here. Okay, right now it's totally fine. I'm using that Windows, and also make that sure that is a package will be as a MSI. And after that, if you click as a download, it will be download one of the exe file. Simple, one of the installation process, just simply click as a next by next, that will be installed successfully in your computer. So make that sure you download this exe file. Okay, make that sure you download your MongoDB exe file and install it in your system. After you install that MongoDB successfully, you have to set up your system environment. For doing this, simply go to your drive, that means where exactly you install it. So I have already installed that MongoDB. If you have to go to your C drive, and I have installed it into the program file, and then here that is installed that as a MongoDB. Okay, it's just simply first of all I have to find out it, and that is actually, you can see that is a MongoDB. So into this MongoDB, then the server, and then I installed that 5.0. so now simply open it and then go to that bin folder. So now this address will be needed. Okay, so now I simply select this address, I simply select this total address, I copy it, and now you have to just simply search with the environment. Okay, and that means the system environment. Okay, system, make it as a system environment. Okay, you can see there is an edit and then the system environment variables. So now first of all you have to open it, and now into this advanced there is option for the environment variable. Now simply select it, and then into the system variable, here you have to find out this path. Okay, so simply select this path, and now if you double click it, it will be open. Here we have to add it. Now simply click as a new, and you can see here I have already copied that path. Now I simply paste this path. Okay, make that sure you add it. That is a MongoDB, our path, that is a programming file, MongoDB server 5.0, and then bin. And now that's all you have to do. Now click as a OK, and now OK, and then I make it as a OK. Great. Now if you want to check it that MongoDB is successfully installed or not, you just simply go to your terminal. Okay, here you can also run that as a PowerShell. That is a PowerShell. You can see the Windows PowerShell. So now I simply open that as our PowerShell, and into this PowerShell area, here I want to write down it. So here I want to write down as a Mongo. Okay, Mongo, and then I would double dash and then the version. Okay, if you write down as a Mongo and then double dash and then version, now click as a enter. If everything okay, then that will be display this type of one of the result. Right now our version name as a 5.0.3, which is totally fine, and then all that basic build information. Great, our MongoDB installed successfully, which is totally fine. And if you face to run anything in our PowerShell area, make that sure you close all that your rest of this terminal. Okay, so first of all, just simply close all the rest of this terminal, and then you can actually run this PowerShell, rather than some of the time it's actually get some of the error for this. Now I want to go to our compass. When you install that MongoDB in your desktop, that will be created one of the icon. When you create this icon, that means when you run this MongoDB software, then first of all you will get this type of one of the view. Okay, and into this position right now there is an option for the field in collection field individually. Simply select it on here, and by default that is actually display a host name as a local host, the port as a 27017, and then authenticate as a none. So that should be also the same in your PC, and then after that you have to simply connect it. If you click as a connect, now it will be allow you to there is one of the dependent software. I make it as a allow. Now you can see it's now successfully, they have some of the database, they have some of the configuration, and then they have some of the local. So you don't need to worry about all that. That is all the default, some of the database as admin, the configure and local. So now whatever the database you will create, you can actually create in particular that position, and all that your database you will get it in here. Okay friend, in our next video I want to discuss about how to create some of the database in MongoDB. Okay, we'll create some of the project, then we'll connect this MongoDB with our project. How can do that work step by step, everything I will show you with the live example. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.